What's up, guys? We're gonna play. What's this game? The Cook. I played this before. Okay. 80. Going to play music. It's gonna be conspiracy. Oh my god. Build. Sweet. Okay. Stew. Okay. I'm not a big fan of stew, but it can just put dead fish, some bones, and a meat. That's a person. No, just kidding. Some people will barf. It's Halloween special day. Okay, I made the fish and bones. Fish and bones is up. I'll burn your food. Oops. Burn it one more time. Oh my god. It's actually kind of burned. Let's put some what is that? A skull? That's what dead people do. Oh man, I ran out. Ew, eyeballs. This is what perfect if you food. Oh my god, look at this. It's so filled. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that's too much eyeballs. Look at this. Look at that. It's such a mess. Have a good day. That's all. According to this, is just a ghost. Oh my god, it's still together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's so much mess. Look at this. Enjoy your messy food. Kind of money. What the plate is stuck. Gordon Ramsay, choose your dish. Push my raw power and hands. Well, your hands is made out of noodles, though. Just your food smell like doo-doo. Okay, I'll give you a. What's a perfect for kebab? Ooh, veggie soup. Okay, that's that'll be a perfect meal. Okay. Simon D and Simon D's like Duke Dumpster. but it's dumping everyone in the basketball court. Okay, this looks burnt to me. The apples. Oh, Canadian syrup. Pathetic. Okay, we're gonna sushi Japan. Whoa, so many peppers. Can we fill this up? Okay, run over there, run over there, run over there, run over there. Let's go. It's so messy. Try your stupid kebab. Yeah, that's right, Gordon. You're not Gordon Ramsay anymore. You're Gorman Boring. Cafe, yeah. Are there any customers in here? Okay. No, okay. Wait. What? I need. That's my secret ingredient. Oh my gosh, you ruined my life. Look at this girl. What? No stew. No leaves in her. Because she's afraid of leaves. I'm just gonna put it anyway. This is so inappropriate. Look at this. I'm chopping it. Okay, I'm good. Okay, fine. If you want it, burn. Oh my god, it's burned. It's okay. I'll add a little flavor to it. I want eyeballs. Gonna mix it up with a little shake. I have 2 shake. Shake that butt. What the hell? What the heck? Peanut butter squash. A pancake. Ah! Could be better. Your cooker. Okay, your attitude is. My cook. You say my cooker's not better. Your attitude is not better. That's right. What's this? What's that? What was that? Is that a pizza? Thanks for the pizza, bud. Smoothie, huh? What's this? What's that? Fine, if you want a good smoothie, I'm gonna have stew to it. It's so crazy, like I'm gonna do. Oh, this time is so much better. Okay, sorry guys. I'm just gonna give me like a minute. So I'm sorry guys. My mom is sorry. It's okay. Next time, be careful. How'd you get? Some people don't want stew in their. Don't stew in their. What am I saying? Leaves in their stew because I think it'll cost that. I think. Okay, that one is literally just a waffle, huh? A waffle. I'll give a bother. What the? It's easy. Look at this. Oh my gosh, I can just mess it up. Woo, let's go. I missed a spot there. Nice. I'll give you a pancake of my mind. What the? You don't get an ingredient? Wish we can make pancakes with broccoli on it. That'll be perfect. I'll be so precious. Yes. Okay, surprise box. What is it? Nothing. It's a chainsaw. Okay, let's go. This game's kind of awesome. What the? 2 mad faces. Okay. I'm just gonna do fried chicken dance. Fried chicken dance. Ah! Okay. Let's go stew. Okay, I'm just gonna on my Wi-Fi. Turn on my Wi-Fi. Okay, what? Oh, look at these precious ingredients. Bible. Okay, I'm just gonna read the Bible later. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect for pizzas. What's this? Cheddar cheese? Perfect for a stew though. I'm gonna keep it on like that. I'm gonna do it like that. Now it's awesome. Okay. Wait guys, I'm gonna be back. What the? Wait. I am back and I don't know what the heck is that. A solitaire gambling ad. So it's not very good, I think. This why you should never add my favorite beans. What the heck is appearing ads? What the? Okay guys, so I end the video here now. I can't play because of ads. So it's like a malfunctioning. Okay, I'll just read my Bible, guys, so don't swear here. I'm taking a Bible quiz now, so let's go. July, morning, guys, and complete your dreams. Yep. Yay, P.S. Anyways, guys, this is me, Sharon 17 minutes. So this is my achievements, guys. Here's your Waterfires Bible reads, Total Connect, and Street Connect. New study way. The only thing is collector. Gospel spreader. Wait, let's do collector first. So a random verse. Okay. Why do you have wrestling games in church, man? Okay, I just heard this. Thanks, Jesus. There's the piece of advice. Okay, one blank recorded the first record. I read this before. Why did the sick gather around the pool at Bethesda to wash, to drink, to swim, to be healed? As a judge, God destroyed with the two thieves which tried most Tyre and Sidon, none of the above. Sodom and Gomorrah. Okay, what did God on the seventh day of the creation? He rested. Animals. Jesus had the piece of blank when he was crucified on Passover. You guys, I'll see you then for the Bible quiz and the cooking to cook. So guys, I'll see you tomorrow. I'll do the intro. Bam bam ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum.